Hello, today we're going to be learning 3 different exercises to help your overall digestive system, help also to connect the upper part of your body and the lower part of your body, and also in doing this you'll create some grounding as well as some space and some movement in your body. When we have movement in our body, our immune system can thrive and we also can create more movement in our lives. My name is Kelly Goetz and I am an Eden's Energy Medicine Clinical Practitioner. I'm also a Level 1 Fundamentals Instructor and I'm one of 40 faculty all over the country and all over the world that serves on the certification program and supports students in getting certified in Eden's Energy Medicine. All right, so let's get started. The first exercise we are going to learn is the belt flow. The way the belt flow works is you want to reach around all the way to your back to the opposite side of your spine, and we are going to drag our hands over. Now this is also a radiant circuit. What a radiant circuit is that when you get the radiance of your body moving, energy will go where it's needed or where you have a weak spot. And so what we're doing is we're just dragging energy over. Now once you get to the hips, you're going to pull all the way down until you get to your pinky toe and off. Now, we always want to make sure we do the other side, so we're going to reach as far around as we can, and we're going to drag over. Now, I'm doing this nice and slow because it feels good to me. And I'm going to drag it all the way down our pinky toe. Let's do that one more time. This time, we're going to do more of a kneading. And so we're going to pretend we're like dough, and if you're like me, maybe you ate a little too much this winter, had too good a time. This is also going to have the benefit of helping move that energy out. And let's drag it down off our pinky toe. And then let's go to the other side. Again, we're going to do more of a kneading. All right, and drowning off our pinky toe. You know, the hardest part about doing any kind of energy medicine or working with Eden's method is actually setting up to film it, and I've already done the hard part, so this stuff is easy. All right, so next what we're going to do is we are going to work with our Ileocecal and our Houston valves. Now these 2 valves are really important in keeping the right level of pressure, the right level of movement in our whole digestive tracts. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the edge of your hand and you're going to find your hip bones. We're going to place our edge of our hands right on the hip bone. You can just karate chop it. Now what we're going to do is turn your hands in, and then we are going to fold our fingers in, and we want to dig in and pull up. So dig in once, dig in twice, and a 3rd time. Now we're going to take our thumbs at our waist, and we're going to drag back down. Good job. Let's go ahead and do that again. So find your hip bones, make that karate chop, turn your hands in, dig in, and pull up. 1, 2, and 3, and then drag down. I like to tell my clients and my students that if you want to make these things a habit, it's best to attach it to a habit that you already have. So every time you go to the men's or the ladies' room, when you go to the bathroom, it makes perfect logical sense to work these Ileocecal and Houston valves and help them along. You'll find that it supports your digestive system. Last but not least, we're going to work with a few of our neurolymphatics. What a neurolymphatic is, it's not actually your lymphatic system, but they're access points to the lymphatic system. They will help release toxins and keep that system moving. I think everyone knows that in a lymphatic system, part of the walking that we do, the exercising we do, helps keep the levels of toxins moving through and out of your body. So what we're going to do is we're going to be working with the side. So right where that seam typically lands with your jeans, you can either use your thumbs, you can use your fingertips, or you can use your knuckles. And I think I'm going to use my knuckles today. And you're going to rub along the outside of your legs. So if you have any sorts of digestive issues, you might find that these are tender. I often find that these are tender on my clients, and you want to rub them. I'm going to do it one more time using my knuckle, my thumb knuckle. There we go. I not too sore. That's pretty good. Now, we also want to work the inside of our legs. So you might go ahead and separate your legs a little bit and rub down. That's one way. You can also just rub on the inside. And there you go. And yes, I'm doing that on film. So, if you would like to improve your digestive situation, and if you would like to create more space in your body so that you can bring in more good, then I highly recommend you using these 3 exercises. If you need a particular exercise for you, please put it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to create one of those exercises that supports one of your specific needs. Until then, my name is Kelly Goetz, and I am wishing you an infinite love and gratitude day. Have a great one. Bye-bye.